Every successful businessman will tell you improving your skills and knowledge will improve your capacity to make educated financial decisions. And financial knowledge is vital if you want to succeed. Finding financial independence can enhance your personal and financial well-being. Financial independence means that you are not tied down to a company, a job, or a corporation. Money provides you freedom and security. Sadly, that's why many people believe that money is scarce. They believe they can't make money without money, but that's not the case. There is money to be had, but only to those with the requirements can get it. Money has its own set of rules. Keep your money safe and you'll be king. Today, I'm going to teach you the 4 most important money principles to help you attain financial independence, confidence, and knowledge. You can really take your financial game to the next level by using these basic fundamentals. Grab a pen and some paper and start taking notes, because there's an incredible amount of free useful information here. But before we get into this, I want to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, and I will teach you the most accurate, money-wise, and up-to-date tips, ideas, and tricks for you to start making money. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, and turn the notification bell on so that you will be notified every time there is a new video uploaded, and please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it. And thank you very much for watching. Although many people lack basic financial literacy, it is possible for anyone to improve their financial situation just by making a few little adjustments in their financial behavior and adopting a more positive outlook towards success. No one who is prosperous is financially illiterate except for those who got lucky, like inheriting a large sum of money or winning the lottery. Maybe that would explain why 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within the first few years of their newfound money. Why? It's all about knowing how to manage your money. You may have a lot of money, but if you make a series of poor decisions, you might lose everything. It is therefore imperative that you educate yourself on the subject. Unfortunately, regular school system does not offer this form of education. It's up to you to learn it. But why aren't people learning about money? There are 2 main reasons why people aren't learning about money. The first simple reason is that money is a sensible subject. Most individuals will implant in you a false sense of scarcity, which will never lead to financial success. Your parents may have told you as a youngster that money doesn't grow on trees and that it's the root of all evil. Falsehoods discourage people from taking the necessary steps to a better financial life. So stop listening to those who aren't knowledgeable about or secure in their financial situation. They can't help you. They can only mislead you onto a path of more stress and failures. Start paying attention to those who know how to make money, since they can educate you about money management. You don't want to learn how to ski from a beginner. You want to learn from a pro, like a professional skier. Financial education may benefit from the same approach. The second main reason for the lack of financial education for most people is simply confidence and comfort. To begin, you must believe that you are entitled and deserving of greater wealth and fulfillment. You'll never be rich if you don't do this. Wealth first begins in your mind. You must first see yourself as a self-fulfilling prophecy. Having this vision of yourself in your thoughts will give you the courage to step out of your comfort zone on a regular basis. The truth is that most people fail because they're scared of success. To achieve your goals, you must be willing to take risks and leave your comfort zone. If you want to walk on the yellow brick road, get up and take action on your success. People who lack the financial resources to start their own businesses may be forced to take out large bank loans, resulting in thousands of dollars in debt. You must have charm and self-assurance in order to become affluent. If you lack the willpower to take action, you'll never be wealthy. Rule number 1. Don't invest in what you don't know. Investing is essential to growing your money. The issue is that working for others will never make you wealthy. Invest. Investments include stocks, bonds, real estate, and currencies. But the most important one is in yourself. Invest. You. Invest in your brain first. Running a business, including financial knowledge, is required. If you don't keep up with your field, you'll die. Keep track of your success. Be an entrepreneur. If you buy or establish a firm, you will want to grow it. To grow a business, you must invest money. It runs on gas like a vehicle. Like people, businesses need money to thrive. Business investment might include marketing, research, and product development. Buy property to invest in real estate is to buy low and sell high, a basic concept with many stages. Begin with traditional homes, then hotels, retail centers, and workplaces. A neglected unit or structure is identified, repaired, and sold to gain a profit. Stocks to buy, it is a publicly traded component of a firm. Buy stocks and get a part of the company's profits equivalent to your initial investment. The stock market, like any other investment, is risky. These are the 4 most frequent investment types. Regardless of your investment, you must be aware of the hazards. There are rules to follow, but also falsehoods. Many people will con you to acquire your cash. Consider who you listen to, conduct your research before investing, or seek advice from an expert in the subject, ideally with skin in the game. Never buy anything you don't understand. Rule number 2. Having too much debt is a lethal weapon. The power of debt is sometimes misunderstood. Many opportunities will be missed by those who are afraid of it, while those who are masters of it will succeed. Debt is not always a bad thing. Among the types of bad debt are, for example, student loans, which is quite unpleasant and has a negative impact on many people's financial situations. The ramifications of financial decisions should not be left to 18-year-olds, so proceed with caution and only borrow money if you're confident in your ability to repay it. Good debt, on the other hand, is debt that you're confident you'll pay off or that you have a plan to pay off, and that will also generate income for you over time. Getting into debt might really help you become wealthy. For example, you may require a loan in order to start your own business. Assuming all goes according to your plan, you will be able to concentrate on growing your company and paying off your debts. Rule number 3. Assume that you're already wealthy. A person who thinks and acts richly is one who sees and acts richly. You're essentially pretending to be a rich person with a luxurious lifestyle. The idea that you should live within your means was first put out by financial gurus, and it is a wise one. Most people get into serious financial issues by spending more than they earn. It's important to spend your money on things that make you happy as long as you're responsible with it. After all, it's all about how you choose to spend your money. How many Starbucks coffees a week are you willing to give up in order to become a millionaire? Start acquiring new skills that will make you money instead of living below your means to save a few dollars here and there. Only with this one technique, you can transform your mindset and become more adept at seeing opportunities to make money. Just before we get to the last most important of the money principles, please remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Rule number 4. Get a handle on investing assets. On the other hand, are items that deposit money in your bank account. The most valuable thing you have is your intellect, and you can improve it. Instead of slaving away for someone else, focus on developing your own skills so that you may earn money by simply delivering what the market wants. In order to amass more wealth in the long run, focus on your skills and develop your early high-earning abilities. If you love similar content, please take a look at my other videos. That's it for the 4 most important money principles. Stay tuned for future videos.